Hello everyone, welcome to Lamina Nails. In this video, we're doing another Magical Sisters collab, and this time we're doing colored liner. But obviously you see Snoopy and you see my foot. So I can't do colored liner on my foot. I'm going to interpret this into something fun. I've never done a pedicure. I've actually never used gel polish on my toes, but we're going to have fun today. So since it is a collab, please be sure to check out Mountain Witch Christine and Alexandra Roberts, who's Alex. They will be doing makeup looks for this collab with that colored liner theme. So super excited to see what they came up with. Description box will have their links in it, as well as the comment section, as long as I remember. So we're starting off with that primer on my toes. I'm trying to go off of that Snoopy that I showed at the beginning. He is Boysenberry Festival Snoopy. So he, in his little story, has been tie-dyed with boysenberries. All the polishes listed will be in the, or used will be listed in the description box, but I am using Beetles base gel and Beetles white polish. This one is in 755, but 755, what else? 894 and 208 are all white. They're basically the same color. I've seen no difference in them. So I went over all the nails with that 2 coats to make sure it was opaque. And then the colors I'm using are all Beetles. They're 759, 757, 281, and A, as in like apple, 65. And they're just like sort of dotted on. So Beetles, actually when it's opaque, it does cure really well at 30 seconds, shocking, but I still leave it in for about a minute. And I'm using this flat sort of petal brush with these colors. This is also from Beetles. I really love this brush and I need another one. And I keep forgetting to go on and see if they still sell them. So I tried not to push my foot down too hard on this mat, and I kept doing it, and then like the color got all distorted because I was pressing too hard. But these are my little toes. I don't have a lot of like nail on my toes, so it's actually pretty hard to do any design on my toes. So I thought I went with this because I just thought this would be easy and fun, because I've never done any pedicure or toenail designs. So once I was done and I liked the way this sort of like tie-dye looked, I put it into lamp for a full minute just to make sure all of the gels cured properly. And now I'm going in with Venalisa Mud Gel in V40, which is a solid gel, or like a thicker painting gel. It's just black. And I painted different thicknesses of lines on my toes. So you see some of them will be thin, some of them will be thick. They'll be going in different directions. This is a really cheap brush that I got off of AliExpress that is actually really, really great. And I love this brush. I bought 2 just to make sure I had a backup. Honestly, I was a little like self-conscious of showing my toes on here because they're a little on the chubbers side, but they're so tiny it's hard to get a good design going. And I actually had to let the nails grow out a little more so to make this much room for them. But basically this is what I did, just stripes and lines and, you know, crossovers and just whatever I felt was cute. And Venalisa does need a full minute because it will smudge if you apply a base or a top coat over it when it's only cured at 30 seconds. I went in with 2 coats just to make sure it was extra dark. And then once that was cured, I applied Beetles base gel. Put that into the lamp for 30 seconds. It doesn't need a full minute, honestly. Beetles base gel. It cures fine. Model ones normally needs a full minute. But then I went over that with Beetles top coat, and that's the finished design. That went until not for a full minute. Please be sure to check out Alex and Christine and see what they came up with for this week's collab. I really do like the way these came out, even though I've never done my toes with gel before. I had a lot of fun, and I love that little Snoopy, so it was fun to base something off of that little Snoopy. So I hope that you liked this and that, I don't know, you got something out of it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great week. Bye bye.